Hello friends, today we have RMO 2013 question. RMO 2013 question. RMO is the stage 2 of Indian Mathematics Olympiad. It contains really good question of mathematics. So today we have this question. We have to find the triples PQR of primes such that PQ is equal to R plus 1 and 2 times P square plus Q square is equal to R square plus 1. See, if you carefully observe here, we have three variables and equation givens are two equations. How we can solve these questions? See, these type of concept we study in a topic called as Diophantine equations. It is a really good concept of mathematics where we know the methods to solve these type of questions. Now let's consider this question. See, here we have these two equations. PQ is equal to R plus 1 and 2 times P square plus Q square is equal to R square plus 1. Now see, he gave us one more information that this P, Q are all prime. Okay, now let's say if I suppose that P, Q, R are all odd numbers, because if we know that all are not odd, that means one number is for sure 2. So to check that is there any case possible that one number is even or not possible? I'm just assuming that let's say all the three numbers are odd numbers. If all the three numbers are odd number, if I come to this equation number 1, what is that? PQ. So it will be odd into odd, which gives us odd only. And the right hand side is R plus 1, that is odd plus 1, which gives us even. So but odd cannot be equal to even, so I can say that these all three cannot be odd. This case is rejected. Okay, all three cannot be odd. If all three is not odd, means for sure one is even, and even prime number is only 2. So I can say that out of three PQR, one number is odd, one number is even, sorry, one number is 2. Well and fine. Now if you carefully observe these two equations, if I interchange P and Q, both the equations are same only. So can I say that P and Q are symmetrical? These two equations are symmetrical with respect to P and Q. I can say that. Because of that, let's assume that R is 2 and P and Q both are odd. Let's assume. If I assume R is 2. If I check this second equation, what I'm getting is left hand side is what? 2 times P square plus Q square. See, this P square plus Q square is odd. Odd into 2 is what? Even. Well and fine. Now let's come to the right hand side. If I check the right hand side, what is the right hand side? Right hand side is R square plus 1. So R is 2, that is 4 plus 1, that is odd. Here even cannot be equal to odd. So I can say that R is not equal to 2. Well and fine. So that means either of P or Q, one is 2. Either of P or Q, one is 2. But we know that the equations are symmetrical with respect to P and Q. So I can assume any one of them as a 2. So let's assume P is equal to 2. Let's assume P is equal to 2. Now let's try to solve the question. Now the first equation will be what? First equation given to us is this PQ is equal to R plus 1. So I will say that 2Q is equal to R plus 1. And what will be the second equation? Second equation is 2 times P square plus Q square, that is 4 plus Q square is equal to R square plus 1. So R square plus 1. This is the second equation. Well and fine. Now from here I can say that R is what? 2Q minus 1, and put this value of R in this equation. What I am getting is 8 plus 2Q square is equal to 2Q minus 1 whole square plus 1. If we further simplify it, what we are getting is 4Q square plus 2 minus 4Q, and here 8 plus 2Q square. If I rearrange the terms, what I am getting is 2q square 2q square minus 4q minus 6 is equal to 0. Take 2 common and cancel. So what I am getting is q square minus 2q minus 3 is equal to 0. Now if you factorize it, what you are getting is q is equal to minus 1 and 3. But since q is a prime number, it cannot be negative, so this minus is rejected. So only possibility is q is equal to 3. So what we got is that p is equal to 2, q is equal to 3. Now put this value of q in this relation, we are getting r. We are getting r. What we are getting r is 5. Well and fine. Now since the equation are symmetrical with respect to p and q, if I put q is equal to, I will get the another case, that is this case. Q is equal to 2, p is equal to 3, and r is equal to 5. So there are two possible solutions. What are possible solutions? 2, 3, 5, and another one is 3, 2, 5. See how amazing this question is. He used these results like these are the prime numbers, odd, even, and he rejected, or we can say that he converted the two equation in three variable into two equation in two variable, like these two equations, these two equations, these two equations. See how amazing the concept is. Hope you like the solution. Thank you for watching.